Hi friends, it's Miss Marissa from the Farmingdale Public Library, and I'm going to show you how to make a seed starter for your garden. What you're going to need is either a toilet paper roll, a paper towel roll, or a paper egg carton, and you can cut them individually or you can make a few at a time if you need. And the egg carton and the paper towel rolls are all good to put back into the earth. It's not going to hurt the earth at all. It's going to disintegrate and it's going to go back into the earth, and it's going to be great, and it'll help with your planting. So if you're going to use a paper towel roll, you're just going to cut it into little sections like this. So it'll be nice and small. And you're going to cut 4 pieces in it, like this. So you're going to have like 1, 2, 3, 4 little tabs. And you're just going to fold them in on each other, like this. So you'll have a nice little square on the bottom so that your soil doesn't go anywhere. So now when you're done with that, what you're going to do is you're going to take some wet soil. Not like super soaked wet, just a little bit wet, because you just want a base for the seeds. So it should look something like this. And you're going to take your soil, and put it right inside. And you can fill it up to the top if you'd like, or fill it up however much you'd like. And you're just going to put the soil right in there. And eventually they're going to look just like this. When you're done putting in the soil, you're going to put in your seeds. See, I'm going to take some basil. And I'm going to take some. I'm going to put it right in. Cover with a little bit more dirt. And voila! You have yourself some seed starters. So when they start to sprout, about an inch or so, give or take, when they start to plant, you're going to bring them outside. So you'll dig a little hole in the dirt, you'll put the whole thing in, cover it, and water, and you're all set. Happy gardening, friends.